welcome to WordPress Tip of the Week, week number 1. This week we're going to talk about something that developers face from time to time, the infamous white screen of death. So let's say this is our sample store and we're working on it, and then all of a sudden you see this. Uh-oh, what happened here? All of a sudden it's white, and you try reloading it and it won't reload. So this is what's known as the white screen of death. Basically what happened is something syntactically is wrong, either in your programming or a plugin has failed and is syntactically incorrect. In other words, the code is incorrect. For example, you could have left off a curly brace or a semicolon, or maybe misspelled something as far as a command like PHP, or you're doing an H3 tag and you did like H6 for some strange reason. So what you have to do is you have to go and kind of retrace your steps. What was the last thing that you were working on? Well, in this case we were working on a file called class front end. Now if we look through, we're here in the code editor and you can see there's an X, so there's a syntax error somewhere before line 4. So let's take a look. Aha! Here's the semicolon. We accidentally deleted a semicolon, and now you can see the X is gone. So let's go ahead and save changes, and let's reload. Let's see what happens. Alright, and everything came back up. Okay. Another example is, say it's a faulty plugin. Well, what do you do if it's a faulty plugin? Well, let's go over that right now. Okay, so let's say it was a faulty plugin and now you're back at the white screen of death here. Best thing to do is to go into your file manager through your cPanel and go into your plugins directory. Now, your root folder is called public HTML, and then the plugins folder is located in WP content and then plugins. Now just for this example, we only have 2 plugins. So we know that we were doing something with SSL. So what you can do is you can go ahead and deactivate this plugin. Now how would you do that if you can't get in WP admin? Well, very simple. All you do is right click and you're going to rename it. I usually just put something like a 2F after the end here. Oops. And then just rename the file. Now what happens is when this file gets renamed, it'll automatically internally deactivate the plugin. So when we go back to the site, now it should come up. So, and then what you can do from here is just go into your WP admin, go to plugins, install plugins, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and delete the faulty plugin right here, and then you're back in business. Okay, well this wraps up this week's WordPress tip of the week on the white screen of death. Now I invite you to like and subscribe to this video, and all subscribers will be entered into a monthly drawing for a free course. So go ahead and subscribe and be sure to tell a friend about it, and we will be making new videos and they will be coming out each Saturday throughout 2018. So stick around. It's going to be a great year and you're going to learn a lot about WordPress and possibly win a course. So we'll see you next week. Bye.